What if one of the most powerful health tools you own is already sitting on your wrist? In this video, we're breaking down 10 of the best smartwatches for health and fitness, from elite performance watches to powerful everyday wellness trackers. Today's smartwatches can track heart health, ECGs, stress, sleep, recovery, GPS workouts, and even AI-powered wellness insights in real time. But which smartwatch is actually worth buying? Let's look at some of the best smartwatches currently available for health and fitness monitoring. Just a heads up, you can find a link to each of these products in the description section below. Please note the affiliate disclosure. The Apple Watch Series 10 remains one of the best overall smartwatches for health and fitness monitoring, especially for iPhone users. What makes it stand out isn't just one feature, it's how seamlessly everything works together inside the Apple ecosystem. The watch continuously tracks your heart rate throughout the day and can even send alerts for unusually high or low heart activity. It also includes ECG functionality and irregular rhythm notifications, helping users stay more aware of their cardiovascular health. Beyond heart monitoring, the Apple Watch Series 10 also tracks sleep quality, respiratory trends, blood oxygen levels, and overnight wrist temperature changes. It even supports cycle tracking and retroactive ovulation estimates for deeper wellness insights. And Apple has continued expanding its safety features with fall detection, crash detection, emergency SOS, medication reminders, and adherence tracking. For fitness users, you also get VO2 max estimates, advanced running metrics, guided workouts, and integration with Apple Fitness Plus. If you already use an iPhone and want the most balanced combination of health tracking, fitness monitoring, and safety features, the Apple Watch Series 10 is still one of the strongest options available today. If you want a smartwatch built for serious outdoor training, endurance workouts, and off-grid adventures, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is easily one of the most powerful options available for iPhone users. Apple designed the Ultra lineup for athletes, hikers, divers, runners, and anyone pushing beyond typical daily fitness tracking. One of its biggest advantages is durability. The rugged titanium case is built to handle demanding environments, while the incredibly bright, always-on Retina display makes it easy to read even in intense sunlight. Battery life also takes a major step forward here, delivering up to around 42 hours of usage, giving users far more flexibility for travel, long training sessions, and outdoor adventures. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 also includes built-in GPS and cellular connectivity, along with satellite communication features that add another layer of confidence when exploring remote areas. For fitness users, the watch supports advanced workout tracking for endurance sports and multi-sport training, helping athletes monitor performance in real time. And for water sports enthusiasts, it even includes a depth gauge and water temperature sensor, with support for recreational diving up to 40 meters. If you're deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem, but want something more rugged, more adventure-focused, and better suited for extreme environments, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is in a class of its own. For Android and Samsung users, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is one of the most well-rounded smartwatches currently available for health and fitness tracking. Running Wear OS with Samsung's One UI watch interface, the Galaxy Watch 7 stands out for its deep integration with Samsung Health and its advanced wellness features. One of the biggest highlights is body composition tracking. Using Samsung's bioactive sensor, the watch can estimate body fat percentage, skeletal muscle mass, and body water levels directly from your wrist, giving users a broader picture of overall fitness progress beyond just weight alone. The watch also includes ECG monitoring and blood pressure tracking in supported regions, along with irregular heart rhythm and AFib notifications for additional cardiovascular awareness. Samsung has also put a strong emphasis on sleep health. The Galaxy Watch 7 offers detailed sleep stage analysis, snoring detection, sleep coaching, and recovery insights designed to help users build healthier routines over time. Additional wellness features include skin temperature tracking for cycle monitoring and informational illness trend insights. If you're an Android or Samsung user looking for a smartwatch that combines fitness tracking, wellness monitoring, sleep analysis, and body composition features into one ecosystem, the Galaxy Watch 7 is one of the strongest choices available today. keep in mind that some health features, like blood pressure monitoring, may vary depending on your country, regulatory approval, and smartphone compatibility.
If you're deeply invested in the Google ecosystem or simply want a health-focused smartwatch that feels approachable and easy to understand, the Google Pixel Watch 3 is one of the best options available for Android users. What makes the Pixel Watch 3 unique is its combination of Google's smartwatch experience with Fitbit's wellness and health platform. Instead of overwhelming users with endless charts and raw data, the watch focuses on intuitive health insights that are easier to apply in everyday life. The Pixel Watch 3 continuously tracks heart rate variability, breathing rate, skin temperature trends, blood oxygen levels, and overall activity throughout the day. It also includes ECG functionality for AFib detection in supported regions, along with irregular heart rhythm notifications for additional cardiovascular awareness. One of the strongest features is Fitbit's wellness ecosystem, which includes sleep scores, daily readiness scores, stress management tools, mindfulness features, and recovery insights, designed to help users better understand how their body is responding to exercise, stress, and sleep habits. The watch also includes important safety tools like fall detection and emergency SOS support. If you want a smartwatch that combines Android flexibility with beginner-friendly health insights and Fitbit's wellness strengths, the Google Pixel Watch 3 delivers one of the cleanest and most user-friendly experiences on the market today.
If you want a smartwatch that balances serious health tracking with outstanding battery life, the Garmin Venue 3 is one of the strongest all-around options available today. The Venue 3 combines Garmin's advanced fitness and recovery features with a more polished, everyday smartwatch experience, making it ideal for users who want reliable 24/7 health monitoring without constantly worrying about charging. One of Garmin's standout features is something called body battery. It uses heart rate variability, stress levels, sleep quality, and activity data to estimate your overall energy levels throughout the day, helping users better understand when to push hard and when to recover. The watch also includes Garmin's HRV status tracking, which monitors long-term recovery trends and can help identify stress, fatigue, or potential overtraining over time. For wellness tracking, the Venue 3 offers advanced sleep monitoring with nap detection, sleep coaching insights, respiratory tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, and women's health features. And because this is a Garmin device, fitness tracking remains a major strength, especially for walking, running, gym workouts, and general daily activity tracking. What really separates the Venue 3 from many competitors is battery life. While some smartwatches require daily charging, Garmin's approach makes continuous tracking far more practical for long-term health monitoring. If you want a smartwatch that prioritizes recovery, wellness trends, and battery longevity while still delivering a modern smartwatch experience, the Garmin Venue 3 is an excellent choice.
For serious endurance athletes, outdoor adventurers, hikers, and multi-sport competitors, the Garmin Fenix 8 and Garmin Epix are in a completely different category from most everyday smartwatches. These watches are designed for people who want deep performance analytics, advanced navigation tools, and long-term recovery tracking, rather than just basic fitness monitoring. The Epix lineup focuses more on a vibrant AMOLED display experience, while the Fenix series emphasizes extreme battery life and optional solar charging for extended outdoor use. Both watches include Garmin's core health features, like heart rate tracking, HRV status monitoring, body battery energy scoring, blood oxygen tracking, advanced sleep analysis, stress monitoring, respiration tracking, and recovery insights. But where these devices really stand out is performance training. Garmin includes advanced metrics like training readiness, training load analysis, race readiness scores, and recovery timing estimates designed to help athletes structure workouts more intelligently and avoid overtraining. For outdoor users, the watches also feature multi-band GPS, downloadable maps, trail navigation, hiking support, cycling metrics, and advanced route tracking built for difficult environments. These are not casual fitness trackers.
They are premium performance tools built for people who train hard, spend time outdoors, and want some of the deepest health and recovery analytics available in a wearable today. If you're a serious athlete or adventure-focused user, the Garmin Fenix and Epic series are among the most powerful smartwatches on the market.
If your main focus is stress management, sleep quality, and overall wellness tracking, the Fitbit Sense 2 is one of the most approachable and wellness-focused smartwatches available today. Unlike some fitness watches that prioritize hardcore athletic metrics, the Sense 2 is designed more around helping everyday users better understand how stress, sleep, and recovery affect their health over time. One of its standout features is all-day body response tracking, which can detect signs of stress throughout the day and encourage users to pause, reflect, and manage tension before it builds up. The watch also includes continuous heart rate monitoring and an ECG app for additional heart health awareness, helping users stay more informed about cardiovascular trends. Sleep tracking is another major strength. Fitbit's sleep profile and sleep score features break down sleep quality, patterns, and recovery insights in a way that's easy to understand, even for beginners. The Sense 2 also tracks additional wellness metrics, like skin temperature trends and blood oxygen variations within the Fitbit ecosystem. And one of the biggest advantages for daily use is battery life, with more than 6 days of typical usage on a single charge. If you want a smartwatch focused more on wellness, recovery, stress awareness, and long-term healthy habits rather than intense athletic performance tracking, the Fitbit Sense 2 is an excellent option.
For athletes who love detailed performance analytics and recovery-focused training, the Polar Vantage V3 is one of the most data-driven fitness watches available today. Polar has long been respected among runners, endurance athletes, and coaches for its deep focus on heart rate variability and structured recovery tracking, and the Vantage V3 continues that tradition. One of the standout features is nightly recharge, which evaluates both sleep quality and autonomic nervous system recovery using HRV data to help users understand how well their body has recovered overnight. The watch also includes Polar's Training Load Pro and Recovery Pro systems, which measure cardiovascular strain and help determine whether your body is ready for harder workouts or needs additional recovery time. For runners and endurance athletes, the Vantage V3 offers advanced running metrics, blood oxygen tracking, skin temperature trends, and detailed workout analysis designed to support long-term performance improvement. And for users who want even deeper recovery insights, Polar supports an orthostatic test when paired with a compatible chest strap, giving athletes additional data about fitness readiness and nervous system recovery. This is not a casual wellness smartwatch. The Polar Vantage V3 is designed for people who train seriously, analyze recovery carefully, and want highly detailed insights that can help optimize performance over time. If you're deeply focused on endurance training, structured recovery, and HRV-based performance tracking, the Polar Vantage V3 is one of the strongest tools available today.
For runners and triathletes who want serious performance tracking without spending premium smartwatch prices, the Coros Pace 3 has become one of the best value-focused training watches on the market. Coros has built a strong reputation among endurance athletes by focusing on the features that matter most: accuracy, lightweight comfort, and exceptional battery life that endurance athletes can rely on. The Pace 3 is designed specifically for training and performance, rather than heavy smartwatch apps or lifestyle features, making it especially appealing for competitive runners and fitness-focused users. The watch delivers accurate wrist-based heart rate tracking for most workouts, and also supports external chest straps for athletes who want even more precise training data. It also includes blood oxygen monitoring, which can be particularly useful for high-altitude training and acclimation. For performance analysis, the Pace 3 offers training load tracking, recovery time estimates, wrist-based running power metrics, and a dedicated track mode designed to improve distance accuracy during track workouts. The watch also supports sleep monitoring and HRV-based recovery tracking, although its wellness insights are somewhat lighter compared to platforms like Fitbit or Garmin. What really makes the Coros Pace 3 stand out is efficiency. It's lightweight, easy to wear for long sessions and delivers impressive battery life that endurance athletes can rely on during heavy training blocks. If your main goal is improving running, endurance performance, or triathlon training while keeping costs under control, the Coros Pace 3 is one of the smartest value picks available today.
Finally, we end with the Withings ScanWatch 2. If you prefer the look of a traditional watch but still want advanced health tracking features, the Withings ScanWatch 2 offers one of the most unique approaches in the wearable market today. Unlike many modern smartwatches with large digital displays, the ScanWatch 2 keeps a classic analog watch design while quietly integrating a powerful set of health-focused monitoring tools underneath the surface. This makes it especially appealing for users who want discreet wellness tracking without wearing something that constantly looks and feels like a piece of tech. The watch includes ECG functionality and AFib detection with medical clearances in multiple regions, helping users stay more aware of potential heart rhythm irregularities. It also continuously tracks heart rate, blood oxygen levels, respiratory rate, and breathing disturbances that may help support sleep apnea screening in supported areas. Additional wellness metrics include body temperature variation tracking and VO2 max estimates for broader fitness and recovery awareness. But one of the biggest strengths of the ScanWatch 2 is battery life. While many smartwatches require charging every day or two, the ScanWatch 2 can last for weeks on a single charge, making it especially practical for long-term health monitoring and continuous data collection. If you want a smartwatch experience that feels more subtle, more traditional, and more medically focused without sacrificing important health insights, the Withings ScanWatch 2 is one of the most distinctive options available today.
Well, that completes the product feature of Best Smartwatches. As you can see, smartwatches are no longer just notification devices. They are becoming personal health companions, tools that help people move more, sleep better, manage stress, monitor heart health, and make more informed decisions every single day. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more smart device reviews, wearable technology insights, and practical tech recommendations. And if you want to check out any of the smartwatches featured in this video, I'll have links waiting for you in the description below. Please do take note of my affiliate disclosure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.